Hey guys, I'm going to show you. Today I'm showing his rain today, and you see it thunder is rain. Check out his thunder. You see those? The thunder is rain. So you can take a look at those. It's rain today. You see thunder, the lightning, and now, excuse me, and now he says, it's about Mexico, and you are safe. And now, you see this? The lightning. Lightning is thunder. Used to be iPhone, iPad Touch. It's all iPad Touch. So, excuse me. And so he's got, you see this? You get scared like rain. Scared rain. So, I see those lightning. I'm not paying attention, sorry. I need focus. Focus, and you're sorry. And now he says, it's a rain today. And then he said my rain today. And also, please subscribe me. Try link right there. The right side there. So also you can try. You can check out rain. See this water?